Okay, what's up everyone? Alright, so today I'm going to take you through some core exercises that I like to use for myself, but I'm also going to give you some progressive exercises to help you activate the muscles that are involved in doing a dragon flag. Now, the dragon flag was popularized by people like Bruce Lee, and is quite popular now with people in calisthenics and so on. But the importance of having a strong core is what it's all about. And I've always considered the core to be like the gearbox in your car. Okay, if you want to get power to the road, it has to be an efficient gearbox, a strong gearbox. And I've always found it important for every athlete, it doesn't matter what sport you're in, as a strength and conditioning coach, the core is what helps you get power to your feet and to your arms, okay, because it supports your back and in so many ways. But for people in general, it's also great for back support and posture, and that's very important for everything else that we do, including breathing, because breathing is supposed to be done through the diaphragm, and you can only expand that diaphragm properly if you have a good posture. But like I've said in many other videos, it's breath training, breath work, and efficient breathing that helps to make us stronger as well, so that we can do things like the dragon flag. Alright, so let's get into it. So I'll start with a few progressive exercises that will help you activate the muscles involved in doing a dragon flag. And if you consistently do these on a regular basis, I guarantee you'll be able to do a dragon flag before too long. It's actually one of those positions that a lot of people will say it's very impressive, or it looks impressive, but it's actually really not that difficult to do.
In our first exercise, knees bent, trying to keep the back as straight as possible. We're going to lift through the hips. We're going to use our glute muscles to push the hips and pull our abs in tight and our belly buttons in towards our spine, and breathe at the same time. This time we're going to lift and hold, just a short pause at the top. Remember to keep breathing as you do this. So bent knee, your holds will get longer as you progress. Next, we're going to twist our hips and hold. This will help our oblique muscles. Again, lifting with the bent knee. Now we're going to extend one leg at a time and then alternate. Now we're going to do a one-legged dragon flag lift. So start with one leg extended, keeping the back straight all the way down to the ankle, and then alternate each leg. From there, you should have no trouble doing a dragon flag. Come up bent knee if you need to, and extend your legs slowly till you get into the dragon flag position.
Okay, so now that should get you into the dragon flag position. Alright, so let's finish off this core workout, and I'll show you a few other exercises that I like to do for my core. And again, with the dragon flag, you can progress that into dragon flag lifts, okay? And once you can do the dragon flag, you can do that pretty much anywhere. And there are plenty of other ways that you can actually make it more intense after that. Alright, so let's finish off our core.
So this is one of my favorites. We do dragon flag lifts and go side to side. and put my feet either side of the sledgehammers that I'm using here as a guide. This is another great way that you can progress your dragon flags. From there I went to rollouts using gymnastics rings. This is great for shoulder stabilization as well. Next I used 2 ab wheels using just one grip on one side. Stretch the arms out wide. Now for the other side of our core, using Superman exercises. Come up and hold. This will strengthen our lower back, core, glutes, and our shoulders. A great exercise to even out our core. I'm just finishing off the core with reverse leg lifts over the plyometric box. Again, this will help strengthen the lower back and the other side of our core. Remember, it's all part of our core section.
Okay guys, so that is that for today. That's just a short ab workout with a few progression exercises at the start there for you to help you get into the dragon flag position. All of these exercises we can build on and progressively make it more intense, but today we'll just leave it there. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you all have a great day and make it a day that means something.
Did you know that as we age, our body's ability to repair and renew itself slows down? Stem cells are your body's natural repair team, replacing damaged cells and supporting healthy tissues like skin, muscles, and organs.
That's where Cyril Stem Enhance Ultra comes in.
Users report more energy, faster recovery, and even better brain power. Ready to unlock your body's natural healing power? Visit dcfit.cyril.com today to get Cyril Stem Enhance Ultra.